Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will demonstrate how you can automate interior designing consultations via WhatsApp. And in this video, we are going to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send us any message, then our WhatsApp chatbot will reply them automatically on our behalf, and it will help them book interior designing consultations for themselves. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that let us jump right onto my screen. Hello everyone, on my screen you can see that I have opened this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my interior designing business. And now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. And for that we will go on my WhatsApp account, and in here I will send this particular text message, hello. And after that you will see that this chatbot will get triggered instantly, and it has sent me this text message, hi, thanks for reaching out to interior designing company. I am here to help schedule a design consultation, but before we start, may I have your name? So you can see this bot is asking me for my name, so I will quickly enter my name, and then you will see that this particular bot has sent me this particular WhatsApp message, which consultation would you like to book? Free 30 minutes phone or video consult, on-site visit for 1 hour, or virtual design walkthrough for 1 hour. So from these 3 options I will select this particular on-site visit, and after that you will see that this bot is now asking me to select the date which I will prefer. So I will type down this date of 6th of October 2025, and after this bot is asking me to select the time window. So for the time window I will select this particular time, and I will send it here. And after that you will see that this bot has sent me this message, hello Jai Tripathi, your consultation is confirmed. For on-site visit, you can see this is the visit which I want, and here I have typed it, and this is the date for which I want it, and this is the time at which I want this particular visit. So you can see this visit has been scheduled successfully. Now I have to click on this yes to confirm, or this reschedule to change. So now I will click on this yes button, and after that you will see that this bot has sent me this message, great Jai Tripathi, now please select which rooms are we designing. So as I want to design my bedroom, so I will select this particular room, and after that this bot is asking me for my style preference. So I will select this particular style, and then this bot is asking me when do you want this completed, and it has also given me example of this 2 month. I will enter this 1 month as a time period in which I want to get completed with this interior designing. And you can see this, it has sent me this final concluding message, thanks Jai Tripathi, here is what I have. And in this particular date and time, you can see this is the date that I have entered, this is the consult type, this is the room which I want to get designed, and this is the style which I have selected. And it has also said we will email you the estimate after the consult. So you just saw how easily I could book this interior designing for my bedroom with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. And creating this WhatsApp chatbot is even much more easier. So to start creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, on a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow, and after clicking on this enter button you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here on the top right corner you can see we have got these 2 different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before this, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, I will go back on my Chatflow account, and in here I will click on this sign in button, and after that I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button, and after that you will see that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And the first thing that you have to do when you are inside this Pabbly Chatflow is you have to add your WhatsApp number, and to add your WhatsApp number you have to click on this particular add WhatsApp number button, and then you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method, to connect your WhatsApp number. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that I will add link of those particular videos explaining you exactly these following features. So you can go and check those videos in the description box of this video. And now, as I want to create a flow for myself, so for that I will click on this flows, and I will select this flows from here. And after that, from this flow builder window, I have to click on this add flow button to start creating a flow for myself. So I will click on this button, and after that I will get directed on this most important window for our workflow, which hosts this trigger button. And this trigger button is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. And you can see for this trigger event, I will select this particular event keyword or regex match, because I want my chat flow to get triggered on basis of some keywords that I will enter later. So I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event, but if you want, you can select any one of these following events as your trigger event. And after selecting this particular trigger event, inside this enter keyword box, I will enter the particular keyword with the help of which I want my chat flow to get triggered. So I will enter this particular keyword hello, and then I will click on this enter button, and here this keyword has been added successfully. And this regex stands for regular expression, and this is a universal code, and with the help of this particular regex code we can extract some keywords from a paragraph. But for now I will skip this, and with this I have successfully completed the setup of my trigger step. And now, before moving towards our action step, I would like to give a meaningful name to my workflow: interior design consultation chatbot. And after this we will move towards our action step. And for our action step, I will go on this action features, and here I will drag this ask question button, and inside this enter message box I will enter the message, the welcome message which I want to send to my customer. So I will paste this particular message here, and in here you can see I have entered this welcome message: hi, thanks for reaching out to interior designing company. I am here to help schedule a design consultation. And I have also added this message where I am asking the name of my customer. So from this select contact custom field, I will select this particular contact custom field client name that I have created to store the name shared by my client. And now I will connect both of these following circles, and then for this select format, I will select the format of this particular reply as text, because I want my customer to reply to me in this particular format. And for this enter number box, you can see inside this box you can enter the number of attempt which you want to give to your customer, but for now I will skip this. And after this, when my customer has provided me with their name, I want to ask them which consultation do they want to book with me. So for that I will drag this text button from here, and I will drop it in here, and then I will connect both of these following circles. And then inside this enter message box I will enter the message which I want to send to my customer, and in here I have gave my customer 3 different choice. So for each of these different choice I will add 3 different buttons, and in those buttons I will enter 3 different choices for my customer to select from. And here I have entered these 3 following buttons, and now I will move towards the setup of this button. And first of all, as I want to store the selection made by my customer, so to help my chatbot to remember this particular selections, I will take help of this contact custom field. So I will drag this set custom field from here, and I will drop it in here. And then first of all I will connect both of these following buttons, and after that from this select contact custom field I will select this particular custom field service type, because this is the contact custom field that I have created to store the service selected by my customer. And then inside this enter value box I will just copy this text from here, and I will paste it in here. And with this I have successfully added contact custom field to store this particular button selected by my customer. And just like this I will quickly add these custom fields to each of my 2 remaining buttons. And here I have successfully added custom fields to each of my 3 buttons. And now I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. But before moving out of this window, I would advise you to click on this save button, otherwise all your work here will get lost. And after I have clicked on the save button, I will click on this settings from here, and then I will select this contact custom field. And in here you will see that all the contact custom field that I have created for myself are now visible in front of you. So to add one more field, I will just click on this add more field, and then inside this field name I will give a name to my field as this test, as I am testing this, and then I will click on this save button. And after this, when I am in the flow, you can see this is the flow which I am working on. And in here, when I will click on this drop down of contact custom field, you will see that this test custom field has been created successfully. Now I can select this if I want to. So this is how you can also create a contact custom field for yourself, and with the help of this contact custom field, you can allow your bot to remember the selections made by your customer. So now I will move towards my next action step, and for that I want to ask my client a question. So again, I will drag this ask question button from here, and I will drop it in here. Then first of all, I will connect all of these 3 circles with this particular question button, and after that I will enter my message inside this particular box. So I will enter this message, dear $client name, which date do you prefer? And in this question I am asking my customer to select the preferred date for themselves. And in here you can see I have used this $sign and this client name custom field to map the name of my client. And here you can see this client name is the contact custom field that I have created to store the name given by my customer. And now for this select custom field, I will select this particular contact custom field date which I have created to store the date given by my customer. And for this format, I will select this date as the format in which I want to receive response from my customer. And now I will move towards my next action step. And for that also, as I want to ask a question from my customer, so I will copy this question button, and then I will replace this particular text with my question, what time window suits you? And in here I will ask my customer about the time which they want for their appointment. And then for this contact custom field, I will select this time contact custom field, and then in this format I will select this any. And after this question, I want to send my customer a confirmation about their visit. So for that I will drag this text button from here, and I will drop it in here. And then inside this enter message box, I will enter the message which I want to send to my customer. And here you can see I have used this $sign client name to map the name of my customer, and also this $sign service type to map the service selected by my customer. And here I have also used this $sign date and this $sign time. And now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then just below this particular text you can see as I have gave these 2 different options, yes to confirm or reschedule to change. So that's why I will add 2 different buttons, and in them I will paste this particular text yes, and in the second button I will paste this text reschedule, so that if my customer wants to reschedule their visit, they can directly click on this reschedule button, and from here they can reschedule their visit. And if they are satisfied with their visit, then they can simply click on this yes button. And if my customer clicks on this yes button, then I want to ask them some more questions. So for that I will drag this text button from here, and I will drop it in here. And then first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this particular message, great client name, now please select which room are we designing. And now just below this text I will add 3 different buttons, and in those buttons I will add 3 different type of room for my customer to select from. And here you can see I have entered these 3 different rooms, living room, bedroom, and this multiple if my customer wants to redesign multiple of their rooms. And now as I want to save these options also, so that's why I will again drag this custom field from here, and then on this select custom field drop down I will select this particular custom field room type, and after that inside this enter value I will just copy this text from here and I will paste it in here, and then I will connect this particular circles. And just like this, I will quickly add custom fields for both of my remaining buttons. And after this, I want to ask my user their style preference. So for that, again, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop it in here. And then inside this enter message box, I will enter the text for my customer. Now please select your style preference. And then first of all, I will connect all of these three circles with this one text button, and after that I will frame three buttons just below this particular text because I want to give my customer three different styles to select from. And now inside this buttons I will add three styles for my customers to select from. And after this, as I want to store these style preferences also, so that's why again I will drag the set custom field from here and I will drop it in here. And then for this select custom field, I will select this particular custom field style, and then for this enter value I will just copy this text from here and I will paste it in here. And then when I will connect this particular circles with this custom field has been set successfully. Now I will just quickly complete the setup for my remaining two buttons. And after this, I want to ask my customer one last question. So for that, I will drag this ask question button from here. And then inside this enter message box, I will enter the question for my customer. When do you want this completed? And then again, I will connect all of these three circles with this question button. And after that, I will click on this drop down of this select custom field. And from here, I will select this particular timeline custom field. And then for this select format, I will select this as any. And after this particular action step, I will frame the concluding message for my customer. And for that also, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop it in here. Then first of all, I will connect both of these following circles and then I will enter the concluding message for my customer inside this particular box. And here I have entered thanks $client name, and with the help of this $client name, I will map the name of my client. Here is what I have, and here I have provided the customer with the details selected by them. And for the date and time, I have mapped the date and time with this $date and $time. And for this consultation type, I have mapped it with the help of this $service type, and this room I have mapped with this $room type. And below this, you can see I have also mapped the style, and I have wrote that we will email you the estimate after the consult. And with this, I have successfully completed the creation of the WhatsApp chatbot for our interior design consultation business. And now we have to go back on my WhatsApp account, and there we will test this particular WhatsApp chatbot. But before going out of this particular window, you must remember to click on this save button, otherwise your chat flow will not work as expected. And now I will go back on my WhatsApp account, and in there I will again send this particular keyword hello. And after that, my chatbot has sent me this message, hi, thanks for reaching out to interior designing company. And you can see here this chatbot is asking me for my name again. And if I want to proceed with this booking, then I just have to interact with this bot, and then I can successfully book this interior designing for myself. So with this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to clone this Chatflow, then for you, I will add a link of this Chatflow in the description box of this video, so you can go and clone this chat flow from there. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.